Hello, for the RealSense App Challenge, I've decided to create a Visual Studio extension that helps the developers to naturally interact with Visual Studio. So first we have to check that the extension is installed, and we can go by saying the extension updates. And here we can see that this RealSense extension is installed. Okay, and once we have that, we can go to Tools Options and go to the section Natural Interaction, where we can see some audio settings, camera settings, and some voice recognition settings. And at the voice recognition, we have the vocabulary for the voice recognition engine and some mappings between the voice or gesture commands and Visual Studio commands. Once we have this set, we can say apply and okay. The next pane that's important is the output pane. Here the extension will create a group for all its commands, and to start the extension we go to View, Other Windows, and Natural Interaction. This natural interaction pane is more or less the same as the hands viewer sample, where we can choose the image type, some options, or we can start the live feed. Here we also have a checkbox for disabling the streaming, or for disabling the showing of the streaming, to be more exact, because I noticed that when the pictures from the streaming are streamed and I open a project, Visual Studio freezes. So that's why I've disabled this one. But at first I will enable it and start the extension. So in the output we can see that the runtime is loaded, the camera is streaming, and we will have to wait a little bit for the speech recognition to start. But until then, you can see that the extension starts to recognize some gestures, and the first or the most important gesture is controlling the mouse by using the V sign. Okay, and then when we decided to do an action, we just hover on the action and say stop mouse. Click. Let me disable this, okay, and go back. Stop mouse. Click. Okay, and right now we have this solution opened. We can go to any specific line and say stop mouse, click, set breakpoint, start debugging, and the extension send the command to Visual Studio to start debugging. And now we can say step over. Okay, so it looked like the extension got the start debugging, which is the same as continue. Start debugging, step over, continue, continue. Okay, so as you can see, we can control the mouse using the V sign. We can let's say we can focus by saying stop mouse and click, and then using some other gestures or voices we can control Visual Studio. So that's about it. Thank you.